I just bought this van. We made it! Woo! You guys want to see where I'm having dinner? Parked here last night. Had the most weird experience. And it's hot out here. So, parked here last night. Got a major road. As you can see, cars going by. Just off to the side here. So, this area was a pretty sketchy location last night. Had the most weird experience where so I was trying to go to bed, and then I just hear kind of like this honking as I was trying to sleep. So I try to, you know, go to the driver's door, kind of look outside, see what's going on. I thought like I was in trouble for parking here, but then there was another person in a white van, and so I kind of dismissed it at first. I went to go back to sleep, and then I heard the honk again. And so like I was sitting there for a few minutes and then decided, okay, let's see what's going on. What does this person want? Am I invading their space? Whatever. And so I went to confront the person, and it was an older lady. She kind of looked homeless, to be honest. Yeah, it was so weird. She had 2 dogs with her. And she said, oh, sorry, it was just my dog honking the horn. He likes to do that. And I just like dismissed it and told her, okay, I'll just kind of sleep here. And just went back to sleeping. And then she did leave after a little while, but it was so weird. All right, so I'm coming back here beyond these little forest area. I'm near Columbia Gorge. That's the current target, but there's this cool spot. Take a look at this. So I think I'm in the area now. I just parked the van. Should be having the river, Columbia River Gorge just around the corner. Do a little hike down and take a look at what we have. I think I found the actual trail I need to be on. Trail looks a lot better. Wow, this is pretty nuts. Look at this landslide. Oh man. Oh dude. Oh, there's no way I'm this high up. No freaking way. No way, dude. This is the type of view I've been looking for. It is so windy, you can probably tell. I still can't believe I'm this high up. I might have thought I would be like halfway up, not this high. It'll take about 11 and a half hours to get to Yellowstone, over 700 miles. Oh baby, got a road trip in front of me. Yellowstone, here we come. Just arrived at West Yellowstone, and so now gonna have a little snack before get some sleep. Good morning. It is 11 a.m. It is later than I wanted to start the day, but here we go. Gonna head into Yellowstone and see what it's all about. I'm not sure what to expect, so it is gonna be a surprise. All right, officially now in Yellowstone. Entrance fee was $35 per private vehicle. So now going to first point of interest I saw on the map, some sort of like Firehole Canyon Drive. So we'll see what this is all about. All right, so first stop here, Firehole Canyon. Got a little creek here. So pulled into a parking lot. There's a hot springs in the area here, but trying to find a parking spot is pretty insane. Looking off in the distance, you can see how flat it is in the yellow areas. So about 2 minutes ago, I saw my voltage power here get down to 13.6 or so, and now it just went back up, climbing numbers. So that's the solar panels doing work.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
So the spring over at Old Faithful was pretty cool. It was nice to see that geyser shoot up. And there was a little shop there. Got a few things. I got a bandana sort of thing, kind of rainbow color. It all sorts of ways you can wear it. Water resistant, moisture wicking, quick dry, and can protect you from the sun a little bit. So I thought it was a worthwhile purchase. And then I got a collectible token album. I think this is the perfect item for my van life adventures. So it's good for all sorts of national parks, monuments, memorials, and I got Yellowstone right in there already. So pretty excited about that. Now on to the next point of interest.
There should be a creature living in it. Unbelievable.
All right, it's map time. So currently at West Thumb, and then entered into Yellowstone through West Yellowstone. So came all the way through here, went south, hit up a few of the points of interest. A bunch of these actually hit up. Old Faithful, a couple stops along the way. And then, yep, at West Thumb right now. So just based on looking at the map there, roughly 25%, maybe even 30. I feel like I've seen that much of Yellowstone. There's still quite a bit I haven't seen, but I'm not gonna have enough time to see it all today. Trying not to see it tomorrow because I am kind of on a little bit of a tight schedule in terms of wanting to go back east. My kind of next steps is what I'm thinking is visiting Moab, Utah. So I'd have to go south from Yellowstone, roughly between 6 and 8 hours. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm gonna miss out on any beautiful sunset photos here. My friend was kind of encouraging me to get some of those here at Yellowstone, but I don't think that's gonna happen, unfortunately. From what I've seen from Yellowstone, I think the trip was definitely worth it. Spent about, let's see, a little over about 6.5 hours in Yellowstone on the west side, focused on that. So thought the trip was great, worthwhile. The top two areas, the points of interest I would recommend if you were to focus on west side would be number one, Old Faithful. That'd be my rank 1 spot for sure. As long as like you can get the geyser bursting, that was fantastic to see. The second point of interest would be the fountain paint pot. That area is a good like introductory point of interest. You know, what are the geysers all about, the hot springs, just all the warning signs and, you know, data they provided was very helpful. So, but yeah, on my way to Moab, Utah right now. Trip says about just under 10 hours. So probably gonna have to split up the trip, maybe 5 hours, you know, 5 today, 5 tomorrow, but we'll see how it goes. Goodbye, Yellowstone. Adios.